Hello and welcome again to my Pokemon version 2 tutorial. In today's episode we're just going to do some further setup. For the next couple of videos we're going to be setting up things. It's not going to be an immediate jump. We're going to add Pokemon and add Pokemon swapping, selection, catching, all of that jazz over the next few episodes. But I sort of want to do it in order, so I want you to go to Oak like you do in the game, go select your starter, then you have to go to your first battle area, and then you would be trained in your first battle, and then you could potentially catch that Pokemon with a Pokeball, and we'll sort of do it in that order, if you know what I mean. So, with that said, let's go into our Pokemon folder, Blueprints, and in this folder we're going to make a new folder called structs. So structs, and we're going to open it up, and we will just go to Blueprints, create a structure, and we'll call this Pokemon info. Okay, so inside here we're going to need quite a lot of variables. I haven't really thought it out. I don't have a reference project or anything. I'm doing this as I go. So yeah, first of all, let's have a Pokemon name. Alright, and we'll make that of type text. Okay, and then we'll just minimize this because we're going to have to actually create an enumeration now. So we'll go into our enumerations folder and go Blueprints, enumeration, and we'll call this Pokemon type. Okay, then we'll open up Pokemon type, and there are a whole lot of Pokemon types, believe it or not. So I downloaded the image, and we'll just keep that as a reference over here. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, there's 18 Pokemon types. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we'll start naming them. So the first one is Bug. Second is Dark Dragon Electric. Okay, Dark Dragon and Electric. Fairy fighting fire flying. Fairy fighting fire and flying. Okay. Ghost grass ground ice. Ghost grass ground ice. Okay. Normal poison psychic rock. Normal poison. I don't know how to spell poison. It's terrible. Okay, how do you spell poison? Poison. Poison. Psychic rock steel water. Kick. Rock. Steel and water. Okay, compile. Awesome. Now I can go back to our struct, and we can add 2 new variables, or just one for now. And the first one we'll make Pokemon type, and then we'll add another one, also Pokemon type. The first one will name to change to the name to Pokemon type 1, and the second one will be Pokemon type 2. Seeing as they don't normally only have one type nowadays. Okay, so we got a Pokemon name, we got the type, and then let's have a level. So Pokemon level. Let's have some XP. Pokemon's XP needed. XP. We need an image. Oh, why am I doing? We must make it a texture 2D. We'll call this Pokemon image. Okay, we probably need a lot more. I can't really think on this. Oh, we need a whole lot more. Okay, so sorry about that. We need a class reference, so we'll do character class reference, and we'll make this Pokemon class. Okay, and as we need more, I think I'm gonna add, because I can't really think of more right off the bat, to be honest. Because inside of the actual Pokemon class, I'm thinking we're gonna put the attacks and all that things. We wouldn't have them selected from here, I don't think. Okay, so let's save that up, close it all out, go to our Pokemon folder, blueprints, actors, player base. Or let's do this even smarter. Let's go to Pokemon, let's go blueprints, let's make a new folder, we'll call this components, and we'll open this up, and we'll make a blueprint class, actor component, and we'll call this Pokemon bag component. Alright, then we'll open it up, and inside of here we'll add a variable, and we'll call this Pokemon bag, or yeah, Pokemon bag is fine, that's fine. And we'll make this of type Pokemon info, and we'll make it an array. Okay, so that's essentially our Pokemon inventory, what Pokemon we own, etc, etc. Okay, and we might as well set up a little bit of functions in here. Let's make them custom events rather. So custom, whatever that was, custom event, and we'll call this add Pokemon to bag. So add Pokemon to bag. We'll get our Pokemon bag, and we're not going to do that, sorry. We'll have an input of type Pokemon info, and we'll call this input Pokemon to add. Okay, and then we'll grab our Pokemon bag, and we'll get its length, or I haven't done this in a while. We'll get a length, so we'll get the length of it, and we'll drag off, and we'll see if it is greater than our bag's max, which would be 6, and it starts at 0, so it would be 5. So if it's greater than 5, or rather if it's greater than or equal to 5, so if it's greater than or equal to 5, then we will add the Pokemon, otherwise we'll send it to the PC. Okay, so there we go. Oh gosh, okay. So then we'll get our Pokemon bag, and we'll say add, and if that's false, we will add it. The Pokemon to add, I mean. So we'll just add a reroute there, just clean it up slightly. Okay. That can go like that. Alright. So simple stuff, and then if that's true, we're going to add it to the PC, and we might as well keep the PC here as well. So we go Pokemon PC, and the PC is going to have an infinite amount of Pokemon. We'll just decide in the UI how to space it. So we'll just add it to there. Okay. Compile. And that'll be the first function for our adding Pokemon, for our Pokemon bag component. And we'll just comment it out, add Pokemon. Okay. Then we'll go back to our player base and we'll say add component, and we'll add Pokemon bag component and compile. And then you should be able to just drag this out, and we should be able to get our Pokemon bag and the Pokemon PC, and we can. Great. Okay, so that's where we're going to leave off for this video. We've done a little bit of setup. I'm going to think about what I need to put into the struct to fill it out properly, but I think this will cover it. And yeah. So, see you in the next episode, guys. Thanks for watching.